update. Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to Chrome automatically switch themes depending on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to Chrome automatically switch themes depending on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, open any Chrome browser. After click on Start, type here Settings. After click on Personalization. After click on Color, and here option choose your color. So click on this dot box. After click on if you want to dark, so click on dark. There is. And if you want to light, so again click on dot box. After click on light. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to Chrome automatically switch themes depending on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.